Today we are shooting with Car Wow.
Yeah, I think I'm in love already.
So next up is the V10 versus the Discovery. Obviously we've got the advantage with the power. We might struggle with the wide tyres. We've got locking diffs, that's more, I think it's got a centre one, but mainly like the electronic side of stuff is a little bit more advanced than the Touareg. As you can probably see, there's a lot of weight on the roof which might be detrimental to its performance in some of the challenges. But yeah, I think we'll see. It should be a pretty good challenge for them both. Paul, the owner of the Discovery, has actually been messaging us on Facebook previous to this. He was keen to get out on the lanes with us, so yeah, we'll use this time now to see how they get on. This is Paul.
Hello.
Are you confident?
No.
No? Why not?
I don't know.
Nah.
V10, V6.
No, yours is a bit newer, a bit more technology.
Lot heavier.
Yeah, yours is definitely heavier.
How much does yours weigh?
As it is now, probably 2.5, so you probably like got a ton on us.
On top. And top heavy.
Yeah.
I think the lean's going to be interesting.
Yeah, I'm not too sure how that one's going to go for you. Hopefully it doesn't tipple over.
It's insured.
Yeah.
Fine.
We'll see how we get on anyway. So we've got the camera set up in the Touareg now. Just about to head down for challenge number 1, which, if I remember from the Yeti, is the uphill drag race. Not sure what power that Discovery's got, but I know that our V10's got 350 horsepower, just short of 1,000 Newton meters of torque. Fingers crossed we win that. We'll see.
Go on, this one's got that. Listen to this. Oh, that last bit. Oh, I love that last bit. No! I'll cock that up.
So it's definitely not getting any warmer here, but challenge 1 out of the way. An unfortunate loss for the V10. Not sure what went wrong there. I can blame the driver, I suppose, but results speak for themselves. It's 1-0 Disco. See if the Touareg can bring it back. So challenge number 2, same as before. Down that, round the tree and back as quick as possible. Turning circle on the Touareg's not the best, so I'm not sure how it's going to fare with this one. But we'll see.
Watch the camera. Nice sedate. 26.86. I'm going to beat that, right? You should do. Yeah, when I go round, I use the dip to pull the car around. There we go. So that once we go in the corner, I just nailed it. 20.19, and I wasn't even trying. No.
What times?
So Disco 26,
Yeah.
and
Touareg 20.
That's one back, so 1-1. On to the next challenge.
What has he got? 17.75 seconds. Come on, let's see if this thing works. Taking off the brake, grabbing the brake, slow it. Can I do it? Oh, it does do it. It does do it. It does do it. It does. It did work-ish. But it was a bit like what normally happens when you hear that sound. So that's 8.45 seconds. Yes.
So that's the third challenge done. I think it was fair to say that the Discovery won that one, which I'm sure Paul's pretty happy about. So yeah, on to the fourth challenge now, which I think was the articulation test. The Yeti didn't do too well on that, so hopefully the Touareg does a little bit better. Going.
No pausing, no stopping. It ain't over yet. We've got to go back down. Weight went against it. This one. Both up and down, really. Both up and down, yeah.
So just completed the articulation challenge. Another one back for the Touareg, so yeah, did pretty well on that one. On to the next one. So section that we didn't do in the Yeti is the rock garden behind me. So we'll have a closer look at what they've just done. But they've both just done it with ease. Again, I'm not sure who the winner is for that one. It's been quite close this. Both vehicles doing pretty well at all the challenges. So yeah, it's definitely going to be a close one. Let's have a look at the rock garden anyway. So yeah, not the easiest of terrain to get over, but like I said, both vehicles doing it with ease. It's going to be a tough one to judge, that one. So that's all 6 challenges done. Let's find out off Graham who won the last challenge.
The last challenge was run by the Discovery.
Yeah.
Right. Now retires.
Well, you can't win them all. I suppose we won with Yeti this morning, so yeah. I think the Touareg's done all right.
Hey, as I said to Matt when he was doing it, if I had the choice of the two and being financially, I'd have had the Touareg.
Yeah. Well, you could get 5 of them for one of them. So
exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
Cheers, Graham.
All right.
So yeah, that's it. It looks like we've lost with the Touareg, but yeah, against a good challenger, I think. I'm sure Paul's happy.
Yeah, only just lost.
Yeah, only just lost.
A loss is a loss.
Well, that's how it goes. You win some, you lose some. I think we've turned up. The V10 weren't even supposed to be here today, so bit of a last minute thing. But yeah, we've done all right. Good day out so far. I'm not sure if we've got one more thing in store for you guys. Apparently there's a little jump, but whether we can do that or not, these guys are running out of time. They've got another video to do with 2 G63s. So yeah, if not, we'll get loaded up and we'll wrap up the video in a minute. So well, I've been out videoing. Rob's been doing emails in back at van.
Easily still.
Inbox empty yet?
Not yet. Shut door. You're letting out more men out.
Have you made me a cuppa?
I'm all out of coffee.
Oh. So I think I mentioned earlier that there were going to be a little bit of bonus footage at the end of today, and I'm not sure if Rob's right happy about it. We're here, there's a jump, and I feel like we should do it, but Rob thinks it might be a bad idea. But that is a jump, and we're going to try and hit it in Yeti. So Rob thinks because we're landing to flat, we're probably going to dig in the front end. Do I go fast?
I'd land on a down slope.
Well, yeah, that'd be ideal, but we ain't got a down slope. So I said I'd do it. I've asked Rob how fast we should go. I'm not sure.
Flat out in second or halfway up third, I'm saying.
Is faster better, or am I just going to go through a windscreen when it does dig in?
You're probably going to go for a windscreen.
I'll make sure belts on.
I think airbag's disabled as well.
Yeah, it is. I don't want airbag on when I'm doing jumps. Right, they're doing a little bit of filming it background, so we'll let them get out of the way, and then we'll decide what we're doing, jumping the Yeti. But I think it's going to happen. It's going to happen anyway. I'll be honest, I bottled the last jump. I weren't feeling it. I think if I hit it too fast and the front end dug in, it might result in me going through a window, or if I've got my belt on, whiplash. So we found a new jump, which looks a little bit bigger, but the landing is on a decline. So yeah, I think it's going to be a little bit better, but I'll turn it around and show you. So this is what we're looking at. Run up there, airtime, land, hopefully everything's alright. I'm going to put my belt on. I don't know why I've ended up doing this as well, but seeing as though I weren't at Parkwood when George were having all fun last time we jumped the Yeti, I suppose it's only fair that it's my turn now. next time. I suppose it's Rob's. So let's see how this goes anyway. Ouch. Has something broke? So I said we were going to do a jump. We've done a jump, so it's probably a good time to end video before we get a little bit excited and try and get a little bit higher, longer. It's probably not a good idea to carry on jumping it, but it was good fun. Really good day with the guys at Car Wow. Everyone's been really welcoming. It'll be good if we could do some more stuff with them in the future. Good to meet Paul and Ben, who came in the Discovery. Ben's Instagram's B97 Riley, Paul's Land Rover Discovery 5. Put them up on screen if you're interested in Land Rovers. But yeah, if you like the Yeti and the Touareg, hit the subscribe button, make sure you like the video. We are back with the guys at Car Wow tomorrow, but that's a completely separate video. So I think we'll leave it there, get loaded up and head home. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you at the next one.